guys, welcome back. Nothing beats a weekend out on the trails with the crew. Just you, your rig, and a whole lot of fun. We loaded up early, grabbed some coffee, and hit the back roads. Chasing that perfect mix of challenge and chaos. That's when the real fun starts. Every obstacle's a test. The climb, the ruts, the water crossings. But that's what we're here for. The grind, the grit, and the good times. And when someone gets bogged down in the mud, you don't leave them behind. Luckily, today we didn't have that. Everybody made it through the trail smooth. So where we're heading is a place that we've seen on Onyx that we have been to before. It's a cabin tucked away in the woods, but this time we're taking a new trail we just discovered. So we're hoping that the trail is going to be accessible, no dugouts, no gates to block us, just a straight shot up the mountain with some good wheeling fun. Hope you guys enjoy. Now on to the video. Sadly, once again, we lost our one friend with the XJ. So it's just me and my brother on our way to this new trail. So today's adventure, we are going to Eagle's Nest Cabin. This time we're going to try and take the back side of it because there's two ways you can get there. Mel's driving, we got Dax in the back, and we'll see how this trail is. We got my brother with us today in his Jeep JK, the black one you guys see in the video. And we're also looking for trail recommendations. If you guys have any trails that you want to see us do or any trails that are fun around the area, let us know, drop a comment. We love wheeling, but we also like to do a little bit of overlanding. And so hopefully soon we'll bring you guys some overlanding wheeling videos in the white Jeep. We'll go up North Island, maybe even off the island. We're just trying to expand our content and see where we can get. If you guys like the story type videos, then maybe we can try and bring you guys more story content, you know, a little more day in the life, behind the scenes. But yeah, if you guys are enjoying the content, please comment and let us know what you guys would rather see, or a mixture of both, or even places that you guys know of that are super cool that you want us to go film at, because we're always open for recommendations. Next trail started off with some good old West Coast pinstriping, but that's nothing new to us. That's just another day in the bush around here. next part of the trail had some really grippy rock to climb up. The Jeeps did it with ease. Made it. Second way to the cabin. It's pretty good. Sometimes it's nice to step away from everything for a bit, you know? No notifications, no traffic, no rush, just a fire, some peace and quiet, and a little time to reset. After a well-needed fire away from society, we are going to make our way back down, but going to take another way we know of. If you are enjoying the video, please hit that subscribe button and follow our adventures because it really motivates us to keep making videos for you guys. Now on to the trail.
Well, what a day. Great trails with great people and a fire to top it off. Couldn't ask for a better crew or better weather. If you enjoyed the ride, make sure you hit that like button and drop a comment about where you want to see us go next. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Later, guys.